Hi everybody, and welcome back to Living Between Paycheck's Kitchen. I'm Oz, that's Jack.
And we are suffering spicy food.
We are trying to recuperate from that udon noodles. But we got a special holiday edition, I guess is what we're going to do. This is for our Valentine's Day people, so you people that are happy and have nice relationships, I hate you. And I'm going to show you how to cheat on making a present. Like, you know, I was going to say that this was just for like the guys, but I realized that women are just as equally as lazy and as sneaky as all the broke ass guys are. So we're going to show you how to do this no-bake cheesecake out of this box, man. Let's get into it. Before we do, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell and stuff, and let's start. All right, so lovers are sad people. This is what you need to get the no-bake box stuff. You're gonna need some milk, a little bit of sugar, and some butter, and one of these pie plate things, right? Now, this is half a stick of butter. It's supposed to be 4 tablespoons. I don't think it's going to be enough. So melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Watch it. Keep an eye on it. And then 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Just take and put that in there. Bam. All right. And then you got to get that package out that's got the crust in it. It's just crushed up graham crackers, man. Like
all it is. Nothing special.
I try to get that sugar mixed around in there, but whatever. So you put that butter in there and mix it to where everything gets that moist color. But that's
not right.
That's not enough butter. Like, I don't believe the instructions, so we did the other half of a stick, man. So we just put that in there. And that was enough. That did the entire thing. So get that good and mixed in. Make sure you get butter all over everything, and get those graham crackers in there. Then take a fork, right? And all the instructions say is press. They're like, press it in the thing. But just take it and mash it into the damn pie thing. It's enough to cover the bottom of this, and it's enough to go up around the sides of it. Right, so just graham cracker it in there. If you got a little bit that's on one side, it's too thick somewhere else. Just pan it around, keep mushing, and it'll fit in there. Right? Looks good. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's kind of like me. That's what I put on my dating profile.
It's gonna be
not perfect, but it's nice and buttery. You know, so just take it and mash it in there, and get it all around the edges. And then once you get it close enough, set it aside. Now we got us a bigger bowl, and we got our cheater beaters here. Right? So you get the other package. Right? That's just the cheesecake mix. Right?
How? What makes this cheesecake?
Oop, and there we went all stuff. And then you add the milk, and it gets beat up.
Ignore the focus.
So yeah, you're not missing much. It's just me blending stuff. So you get this in here, and it was 1.5. It's in the instructions on the milk. You put that in there, blend the crap out of it. And, it's gonna splatter everywhere. It's gonna get everywhere. See, it's getting on your hand. Just blend it until it's smooth, and you're done. So, careful. Yeah. Thank you, Focus.
Thank you, Focus. Finally.
So, it tells you to spoon it in here, because they don't want to pour too hard, because it'll push that stuff on the bottom. So, I spooned it a little bit.
Lost patience.
I ain't got patience for that shit, so I just poured it in there. So, once you get it all put in there, just kind of make it flat and even. Be all nice and heavy with it, and then refrigerate it for an hour. Right, you just gotta let it sit and chill, be cool. And don't worry if it splatters, that'll get you if you want. Yeah, that rubber spatula is paid for itself like a million times over, man. It just scrapes everything out of there. It does it perfect. Just take it, pat it, tell it's been bad. Sorry.
Okay.
Naughty cheesecake.
No, just no.
So take it, refrigerate it for an hour. Now, come back when it's dead, it's gonna be firmed up, right? So you got this package thing now. This is if you want the cherry stuff. Some people don't like the cherry cheesecake. And it just takes forever to pour this stuff out of here. Like, if you wanted to take it...
It was a good minute of pouring.
And mash that stuff, you could get a credit card and, like, squeeze it out of there. You could get all that stuff. But other than that, you got nothing. Just keep squeezing their big chunks of cherry that block everything up. So just... Doesn't have to be pretty. Then you take the spoon and go back and spread it all out. Now, if I had the time and money, I'd go get another can of that filling and cover it over.
You'd really go to town on that.
But instead, we spent the money on some fancy-ass rosé wine, man. It comes in a can.
Fancy with air quotations.
So there you have. So that means it costs like $4 all total, and it costs like $8 with the wine. And it's a full cheesecake. It'll serve one sad fat guy on Valentine's Day by himself. So there you have it, a way to be sneaky on Valentine's Day and say you had something awesome for your partner or a crush, or just sit at home and cry because you're eating your cheesecake by yourself and it's sad because you got nobody to hold at night except for your dog. So you can just next time, you can find us all the time here on YouTube. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. You can find us on Instagram at Living Between, or on Facebook, Pinterest, or Patreon if you want to help us out at Living Between Paycheck's Kitchen there on all of those. And we'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day, you mooks. It's almost sad.